Today's rule for ideas is take out details that don't stick to your topic. Please look at activity A. It says, read Glenn's letter to his pen pal, Serena. Cross out the sentences that do not tell about where Glenn lives. Dear Serena, I live in Burlington, Vermont. It is the largest city in Vermont. Burlington is near a lake and mountains. My birthday is in the summer. The lake is named Lake Champlain. It's fun to sail on the ocean. On the other side of the lake is New York. Do you like hockey? We also have the Green Mountains. Can you guess why they are called the Green Mountains? They are covered with trees. I like books about mummies. Your friend, Glenn. Now think to yourself, what is Glenn's topic? Pause the video and see if you can answer the question. If you answered the area where he lives, you are correct. Now let's reread the last sentence of the letter. I like books about mummies. Does this sentence stick to the topic? No, it does not. Books about mummies don't have anything to do with where Glenn lives, so this sentence should be crossed out. Now read the letter again and find and cross out the other sentences or details that do not belong. Okay, let's check it together. You should have crossed out, my birthday is in the summer. It's fun to sail on the ocean. And do you like hockey? Those sentences do not fit with the topic of the area where Glenn lives. Now let's look at activity B. It says write 2 sentences about where you live. Include the name of your city and state. Remember to place a comma between the city and state. So think about 2 things you can say about where we live. Think about landforms, climate, and other important features of your area. Go ahead and complete part B.